Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally back in my room here at home, which means I have officially moved back in from college. You probably can't see behind me. I am surrounded in stuff, and in fact, the only place I can get out is right here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Megan. I am now going to be a second year student at the University of Virginia, which is so weird that I'm second year now. I have all of my stuff here, and if you guys saw my dorm tour, which should be up before this, I had a lot of decor and a lot of furniture and stuff that was not necessary, but completely necessary at the same time. So I have a lot of stuff here and a lot of stuff that doesn't fit in my room. And so today and the next couple of days, I don't know how long it's gonna take me, we will see. I'm going to be going through and seeing what I need to organize, put stuff away. Like, I'm moving back in, but then I also kind of need to keep some stuff for next year. I don't know where I'm gonna store it, but probably upstairs in the attic. I'm living in an apartment with 3 other girls and it's gonna be super fun. But with that comes the need for furniture, which we're furnishing our entire apartment, so that should be fun. But I also want to keep some other stuff too, so I'm like not necessarily putting it all away in my room, but it's going somewhere. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like organizing videos or college videos, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you are new, and let's get right on into it. Just for reference, I'm going to show you guys the full room. I mean, literally stuff is everywhere. It's like I live in hoarders. I also have some more stuff down in the garage, but once again, let's just deal with this first. The first thing I'm going to be doing is making my bed just for a clean surface, and then I'm going to be organizing everything kind of into category of what needs to be taken out of the room and what can stay in the room. Update, I have cleared a lot of the floor and I'm starting to organize things out here. These are all things that I don't know where they're going yet. This is empty. Honestly, this might get trashed. This is so disgusting. These are all the things I need to throw in the laundry. My laundry basket from school, which I think is actually going to my brother. But here's some other stuff to leave. But I think I'm gonna try and get all the stuff in my bathroom, and then I'm gonna go in and do all of my clothes at once. So moving back into my room, you guys just saw my bathroom stuff. Here's what's going on. A lot cleaner and a lot more consolidated. These are all my shoes on my bed, but I think I'm gonna try and put everything else at least in little piles, like start working on my desk stuff over there, just because that's a little bit easier because my clothes are gonna take like a whole separate chunk of time. I am back from picking up my brother from school, and I have since changed into a completely different outfit, but here's the situation at the moment. All of these things are clothes, and then so are these. I brought these home probably about a month ago. I did a big clean out of my dorm, and then these are all the clothes I brought directly back from school, so this is my next step. I have a bunch of bins that I have from school. I have a shoe rack, which I don't think I'm going to use, but I have just in case, and I'm definitely keeping it for next year. But I'm going to use these in my closet now and just kind of put this away and also reorganize it, because right now I can't even open this door. There's a lot of stuff on the floor. There's a whole other bag of clothes down here. This is like pretty full in here, so I just need to hang everything back up and see what I'm working with. I haven't really been in my closet in like a hot sec, and I just cleared everything out. First of all, I'm out of breath because I just was like lifting a bunch of stuff. This is my bed right now, like plus this bag is all clothes, plus that bag is all clothes back there. I don't know where any of these came from because if you look behind me, there is a full closet of clothes back there. So I don't know where everything is going. I don't know what's happening. Oh, this is funny. I'm just gonna organize this into like what goes back into the closet and what needs to get folded, because if it needs to get folded, those are just going in my dresser, and so that'll be a separate. I'll just put those in a pile for now. I'll fold those later. I'm going to be taking my scout bin. This is the large roost, and I'm going to be filling it up with all of my winter clothes and stuff like that. Stuff that I don't need right now.
Darling, send me, I know you, send me, darling, send me, I know you.
I have not put back one single t-shirt. This is what I opened my 2 drawers, and this is what they look like. That's crazy. I'm about to go through those, get rid of the ones that I don't absolutely love, and then start folding mine to put back. After a brief hiatus, I am back. It's actually dark outside right now. I have some coffee with me. My dad made me an Americano with an espresso. I'm so excited to have it. Right now, I'm just about to go through these bottom 2 drawers here. As you can see, and as the clip showed before, I organized the top 2 drawers with all my t-shirts, and down in the bottom drawers on the right I have my PJs and my shorts, and then the left I have like all my athletic stuff, because I used to like try and fold my shorts and stuff for like my athletic wear and stuff, but I just kind of throw it in there now. It's not really very organized. I'm going to go through and get rid of anything that I don't use, and just like I don't need 20 tank tops to work out when I don't really wear tank tops that often to work out. So now it's time to deal with the rest of this mess. So I packed up a majority of my winter clothes in my scout bin, and that's going to be going right there. I reorganized my closet so that it was more in order, so all the hangers are kind of whack, which is bugging me, but I'll probably buy some more soon. But down here, I definitely whittled a lot of things down. These are all my sweatshirts and sweatpants now, and they used to take up like 2 things. I got some swimsuits, my jeans, stuff like that. This is the end of day 1, 360. These are all 3 bags of things to either sell or donate. My trash, lovely. This is my pile right kind of here for to go elsewhere, or like this pile of t-shirts are either for my brothers or my mom or anyone who wants them. I need to go through my jewelry and finish hanging that, and then my desk is a whole thing. I need to put away all my desk supplies, probably reorganize my desk, and then I need to fold these up for my little next year. These are all the shirts that either don't fit me or I just like, I don't know, I didn't see myself wearing or couldn't fit in my drawer crate, honestly, because I received so many shirts for my bigs. I'm so excited about it, but can't fit them all. So the rest are going in these bins, and that will be in my little dresser thing right over there. Hi guys, new day here. This is 2 days after you saw the last clip because I was lazy and I didn't do anything yesterday, but that's okay. So this is the current sitch. I put some stuff from the ground up onto my bed, if it would focus. Then I kind of started consolidating over here, but mainly what I'm about to do is go into my bathroom and organize that because that's completely separate from this mess, and that'll be good to get that done.
No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. Making me feel really good. No one can do it like you.
I'm about to organize all of my stuff down here. That's like mostly my school stuff so that I can start in on working on my desk.
No one can do it like you.
This is the before of my desk. I'm gonna empty all these drawers out, organize it all. I also have these two organizers here. We're gonna see what we got.
How could you say this every time? This is the new world, you told me lightly. Oh, and how could it end? Let it fall in my lifetime.
Night 2 update. This is the last thing I'm doing tonight. I just finished putting up all of my jewelry. And I put my blue tray over here and all my extra hoops that couldn't hang down there. And then on this side, I just have my 2 body sprays, my classic setup, and then my gold watch and my favorite Kendra Scott earrings with my lamp, of course. And then over with my desk, I'm obsessed with it. It's just so welcoming and bright. And it doesn't really come up well on camera, but I think it looks really cute. I'm really excited to work here over the summer. But in the top drawer, it's very organized. It's just so satisfying, and everything has its rightful place. And then this top drawer doesn't really look organized, but I just have a legal pad on top for ease because I write on this all the time. It's really just a couple of notepads and some tape, a notebook, and my calculator. And then in this drawer, it's kind of organized chaos. I have some like thank you notes and birthday cards and stuff like that. Some more notepads, flashcards, pins, and then back there are all my sunglasses. Here's what the end of day 2 looks like. Definitely much better, but still a lot to go.
I can be myself, for better or for worse. I know there's a place, a secret getaway, where I can be myself, where I can be myself. Oh, and how could it end? Let it fall in my lifetime. I don't really like that. I don't really like that. And how
I'm just cleaning out my nightstand, making room for all the things to go in there since I still have all the stuff left.
no, I don't really like that. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Stare myself in the silence.
Alright guys, all I have to do is bring these upstairs to the attic along with throwing all of this out here. This is all trash. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. These might just go somewhere else, but I need to like decorate that and stuff like that, but it's pretty much done in here. It's super organized in all of my drawers, so I feel really great. One of my last steps is going to be changing out my sheets so that I can redecorate with my different pillows, and then we can see what it looks like. We're gonna keep the shoe rack out for a hot sec until I can put it away in the attic. and then same with these, and then just clean up my desk. We're good to go. Alright guys, this is the finished room. I'm obsessed with the way it turned out. It's so fresh, so clean. I love it, and I love how much light I have in my room. I don't even have these 2 lights on, and it's still so bright. And too, like, even my drawers are clean. Like, it's not like I'm just like pushed everything into drawers and called it a day. No, like, you look in this drawer, like, it's all lined up, it's all clean, and that's why I feel like it just feels so good, especially my closet too, having everything put away and organized. Even though it's all crazy, these things are just some things I have to deal with, which honestly, the reality of living at college half the part of the year and then the other half like living at home is that you're gonna have leftover stuff. So might just leave that there instead of bringing it up to the attic. I really hope that you guys were inspired by this video to organize your own room or go through your stuff, declutter your stuff, move your stuff back in, whatever the case may be. I really hope that you're inspired, and if you do like videos like this, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.